Welcome. In front of me I have JBL Clip 3, and today I will show you a very simple and very quick tutorial how to make this soft reset. So it's very simple. If you have any problem with the connection, with the sound, you can make the first soft reset. So you have to simply tap on the power button once when it's turned on. So right now it just turned off, and then just tap it another time to turn it on. And that's basically how the soft reset looks. And if you have still the same problem with the connection, you have to perform a hard reset. So the hard reset is to click and hold this button, the volume up, and the Bluetooth button for like 10 seconds. So just check it out. Keep holding these buttons and take a look on the indicator. When it turns off, it means that the hard reset was successful. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.